Hey guys, I haven't done a video for a while, been busy with some other home renos. But I got another 4 hours on the skid steer. I've got now 96 hours. You can see that. Last video I did was 92 hours. So just on another side note, I filled it up just before I used it and I got literally just over 4 hours on it. And then it started to sputter and the tank was dry. So get roughly 4 hours of constant use. So anyway, this video is about how those ball bearings holding up. The soil, same kind of soil that where I've had all the problems. It's a little wetter than normal. Still got the rocks caught between them around the idler wheels. But the seals haven't pushed out. I'm not going to take it apart yet. I'm going to get a few more hours on it. But I just want to kind of do an update that the ball bearings are holding up as far as, well, they didn't blow apart like the other ones. I'll just show you that now. Okay, you can see that a little bit, 96.7 hours. I had 92.4, I think. So it's pretty muddy, so I just hosed it off. That's why it's kind of wet and a little dirty. But you can see the seals are still hanging in there. There's this inside one is good. Bunch of dirt. And this one, yeah, the seal's good. Both are good. Hanging in there. And I do need to do an oil change here. I don't think there's a filter. I'll just check this one again. I didn't do a very good job of hosing the inside off, but it's just dry. It'll dry up and come off. Anyway, yeah, so the main thing is these sealed ball bearings, holding up so far, even though it's just a few hours. Anyway, just a quick update on how these bearings are holding up. I'm hopeful that they're gonna do the trick and last longer than the other bearings that it comes with. It's a cheap change or fix. And all I had to do is, I got the same size bearing, except they're a little narrower, so I had to get a washer to, just as a spacer, so it doesn't slide in there. But anyway, it's just a quick update for you, and I'll let you know how it goes. I got another job coming up for a friend, do a driveway, so I'm gonna do that for him, when the weather's good, because we get a lot of rain here. So again, I think there's probably 8 hours to dig the grass out and then put gravel in and spread it around. So at least get another 8 hours of run time. And then I'll take the bearing apart and show you guys what it looks like after, 10, 12 hours of run time. And yeah, we'll see you on the next one. Thanks, guys.